Ever wondered
Front-end
how the sleek
development.
interfaces and interactive elements on your favorite websites come to life? The answer lies in the realm of front-end development, a key component of web development that focuses on the user interface and user experience. Today, we're diving into a specific aspect of front-end development, creating a responsive navigation bar using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To kick things off, you need to set up your HTML structure. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your web page. Start by creating a div element and give it a class name of navbar. Inside this div, create an unordered list or UL and fill it with list items or leads. Each of these list items represents a link in your navigation bar. Next, time to add some style with CSS. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is like the skin and clothing of your web page. It determines how your HTML elements look. Target your navbar class and set its background color, height, and width. Then, target your list items. Set their display to inline block and give them a padding to space them out. Don't forget to style the links themselves by targeting A tags. Remove the default underline by setting text decoration to none, and change the color to your liking. Now comes the interactive part, JavaScript. JavaScript is like the muscles that make your web page move. It's responsible for anything on your site that changes without the page reloading. For your navigation bar, you want it to be responsive. This means it should change its layout when the browser window is resized. Create a JavaScript function that checks the window's width. If it's less than a certain number, change the display of your list items to block. This will stack them vertically instead of horizontally, making them easier to click on smaller screens. If the window's width is greater than that number, change the display back to inline block. To wrap up, add a call to this function whenever the window is resized. This can be done using the Windows resize event and the add event listener method. Now you have a navigation bar that adjusts its layout depending on the screen size. To summarize, front-end development is all about creating interactive and visually appealing user interfaces. Today, you learned how to create a responsive navigation bar using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You started with HTML, creating a basic structure for your navigation bar. Then, you use CSS to style your navigation bar and make it look the way you want. Finally, you use JavaScript to make your navigation bar responsive, changing its layout when the browser window is resized. Remember, front-end development is a vital skill in today's digital world. Whether you're building a personal blog or a corporate website, the principles you learn today will always come in handy. Thanks for tuning in and keep exploring the fascinating world of front-end development.